This is your KCTV5 News Flash Briefing.
The battle against the coronavirus here in the United States is growing. There are now more than 9,000 people infected nationwide, and at least 150 have died. Members of the White House task force are warning infection numbers will soon skyrocket. Yesterday, President Trump signed an emergency relief bill that includes free coronavirus testing, paid sick days, and family leave. Lawmakers are also working on a $1 trillion rescue package that can't come soon enough for the thousands that have already lost their job.
The minute you hear the word that you're getting laid off, you really got to rethink your life at that point.
The leading labor union says nearly 300,000 hotel, restaurant, and casino workers will lose their paychecks in the coming days. For the first time since the coronavirus pandemic started late last year, China is reporting no new local cases at the epicenter in Wuhan. How about this? Digestive problems seem to be the most reported symptom in a small coronavirus study. The data looked at about 200 cases and found about half of the patients complained of loss of appetite or diarrhea. Researchers say these symptoms should not be ignored, even though the virus is often associated with respiratory problems. Even some severe coronavirus cases included pronounced digestive issues. Right now, many school districts are still trying to figure out exactly what to do, how to complete their year outside of the classroom. In Kansas, a task force is working on recommendations. That task force sent an outline to the districts last night, but we have yet to see it ourselves. We hope to get that information later today. Districts say it is too soon to weigh in on how exactly it will all work. And to keep the coronavirus at bay, local doctors are urging everyone to wash their hands and social distance. But you should also be aware of your temperature.
And that would be a good thing for everybody to do, is have a thermometer at home.
Many people are finding out that is much easier said than done. Most stores don't have any on the shelves. Now, we found out thermometers are on high demand at many stores. People are already calling ahead to ask if they do have them in stock, and that way they could save a trip out there. Retailers around the metro are placing signs near the front of doors letting customers know everything is currently out of stock. The Secretary of the Kansas Department of Health and Environment said monitoring our temperatures is important.
Virtually every coronavirus patient we've heard of has, at some point along the way, and usually early in the disease, fever.
We reached out to Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS to see if they knew when more could be arriving so they could get them back on the shelves. Well, we heard back from Walgreens. A spokesperson said due to high demand, they are limiting the purchase of thermometers, hand sanitizer, face masks, and more to 2 per customer. Other products, they have a limit of 4. No word on when they could be restocked.
Today is a Storm Track 5 weather alert day. We'll be keeping an eye on live power Doppler all day long with widespread areas of showers and thunderstorms this morning. We have a 90% chance of heavy downpours and vivid lightning with some of these storms this morning. A good round of storms for the first half of the day. Then we'll be quiet as we're heading towards the lunch hour through early afternoon, then strong and potentially severe weather developing later today.
Turn to KCTV5 News for the latest updates. This is your personalized flash briefing because KCTV5 News stands for you.